You foolish for this talk, oh, divider. So now only Igbo people dey Nigeria. Foolish talker. The name of the idiot that wrote this thing under my comment section is Avuero Suogene. That person is either from Urobo or Isoko. Some time ago, I made a video telling Igbo nation how to fight insecurity. The message is strictly for Ndigbo. I did not mention Urobo. I did not mention Isoko. I did not mention Ijo. I did not mention Yariba. I did not mention Hausa. I did not mention any other tribe and ethnic nationality in Nigeria. I am only talking to Ndigbo. But instead, this idiot here came to my comment section on Twitter telling me, you are so tribalistic, you are a divider. Are Igbo people the only people in Nigeria? You are talking to Ndigbo alone. Why are you not talking to other people in Nigeria? The most foolish thing an Igbo person can do in Nigeria is to be speaking up for all Nigerians. If to say I do that video for Urobo people, come and tell Urobo people, make una do this thing to take protect on ourselves and on our region from Fulani banditry and terrorism. Now those same Urobo people go still come, they make videos. They tell me say, UIPOB, Biafra, ESN, Omo Igbo, you cannot focus on your Igbo land again. You now left your Igbo problem and now be telling we Urobo people what to do. If I do the same to Yariba people, they tell Yariba people say, see, what una go do to fight insecurity for una land? They go tell me say, Omo Igbo, focus on Igbo land, fight insecurity in your land first, save Igbo land first, before you will tell us what to do. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was telling every tribe and ethnic nationality in Nigeria that Fulani terrorists are coming. But instead, all the tribes and ethnic nationalities in Nigeria were calling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist. Nothing that no talk remain concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. These people insulted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sent to prison, so many of them were happy. Today, that Fulani terrorists are killing them. The worst thing to do as an Igbo person is to be speaking up for other people in Nigeria. This is why we, the Igbo unification movement, our only agenda is mainly for Ndigbo alone. We not go ever come out say we dey speak up for other tribes and ethnic nationality for Nigeria. No. Every tribe should carry their cross. Every ethnic nationality should carry their load alone. We Igbos no be hero to other people for this country called Nigeria. We Igbos are the most hated ethnic nationality in Nigeria. So we are expected to mind our lane. If we speak up for them, problem. If we don't speak up for them, problem. That time when Fulani terrorists killed 200 people in Benue State, so many Igbo people started telling Benue people to be vigilant, that they should do this, they should do that, and make sure that they stop insecurity in their region. After that, people from Benue State started attacking Ndigbo on social media. A page on Facebook said that Igbo people are showing concern over what happened in Benue State. I checked the comment section of that post. Benue people are insulting Ndigbo, dragging Ndigbo. Look at what they are telling Ndigbo. They said Igbo people that cannot fight insecurity in their land are telling we Benue people what to do. Are terrorists not killing Igbo people? Who are Igbo people to tell us how to fight insecurity? Igbo people, stay in your 5 states. Stop telling us how to fight insecurity. Some said the people that are killed in Benue State, are they Igbo people? Igbo people, why are you crying more than the bereaved? These are the comments that Benue people are commenting in the comment section. I check the people that are making these comments. They are all from Benue State. They are all bearing names of tribes and ethnic nationalities in Benue State. Now them they kill Igbo people, they show solidarity. They started insulting Ndigbo. Some of the Benue people said, Igbo people, you people are looking for a way to bring your Biafra agitation to Benue State because they killed our people. You now want to use it as an opportunity to bring in Biafra to Benue State. You want to put us in your Biafra. You will not succeed. People wey they kill. People wey get sense go dey happy say these people are showing solidarity, oh, but instead they started attacking Ndigbo. No be Fulani wey dey kill them, na Ndigbo they attack, they insult Ndigbo for comment section. All the comments where that place they attack Ndigbo. Ndigbo, no matter wetin happen for any geopolitical zone for this country called Nigeria, e no concern we Igbos. If you like call me tribalistic, if you like call me a tribal bigot, I don't send, I don't know you, nothing concern me. If you talk finish, now you get your mouth. Anything where they happen for Roboland, we Igbos are expected to remove our mouth. Anything where they happen for Isoko land, anything where they happen for Ijo land, anything where they happen for Yoruba land, anything where they happen for Hausa land, e no concern us. We Igbos are advised to focus on Igbo land and make sure we build Igbo land. Lazy Urobo person, you want make I come out, put camera for face, they talk to Urobo people. How many Urobo people go meet Tinubu demanding for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released? If they say na Urobo person they say go prison and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey free, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go dey demand for that Urobo person to be released. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did it for Sunday Igboho. He did it for El Zakizaki. How many of them are doing it for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today? How many other people in Nigeria are doing that same thing for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? You want to make Igbo man, they speak up for you. You want make I come out for this my platform, they speak up for una. That if where they happen for una land, it still they happen for Igbo land. I am expected to speak up for Ndigbo alone. You Urobo person where they complain, go and speak up for your Urobo people. If to say these our neighbors for South know the importance of Igbo people, as we dey speak against insecurity, as we dey speak against bad thing wey dey happen for this country, they go dey support we Igbo people, because we Igbo people are the big brother in the southeast and the south. Ndigbo na big brother, but instead na hate we Igbos dey receive. Fulani kill una for Benue state, una wey be Benue people, na Igbo people na dey insult, na Igbo people na dey hate. Fulani kill Yoruba people. Yoruba people, instead of them to focus on Fulani, that they drag P2B, that they drag we Igbos, that they hate on we Igbos. Yoruba people open their mouth and say, it's better for them to be killed like flies by Fulani terrorists and bandits than to see an Igbo man become the president of Nigeria. So, are you expecting we Igbos to be speaking up for Yoruba people? No, it's not possible. Yeah, we can never try such a thing. Ndigbo are the most hated ethnic nationality in Nigeria today because we the one prove to the world say we be hero. Other tribes go dey get issue, we Igbos go dey form hero for them. We go dey one go there to stop the problem where they happen for that place. Now wetin put we Igbos for problem where we dey today? The 1966 coup, na all these things they start. Coup where Ndigbo and other tribes for Nigeria do. The brutality of that coup, na Ndigbo had the land. After that 1966 coup, more than 30,000 Igbos were killed in northern Nigeria. More than 3.1 million Igbos were killed during the Biafra War. The federal government of Nigeria represents all the tribes and ethnic nationalities in Nigeria. And that means that the whole Nigeria is against Ndigbo. So, are you expecting me, an Igbo person, to be speaking up for other people in Nigeria? It's not possible. I can never forget all these things that we Igbos are passing through in Nigeria in the hands of our neighbors. Make her come, they do better person. The insecurity happen for Urobo land, the Urobo people, make una do like this. Yoruba people, make una do like this. Make her for be better person. It's not possible. That is stupidity. Every tribe and ethnic nationality in Nigeria should carry their trust. Leave Ndigbo alone. This Urobo person, Mumu, also why. You dey cry say I know they direct them to other tribes in Nigeria. Imagine say I call tribes name for this country, they tell us say make una do like this. Now then go see go the tell federal government, see what this boy they talk. They tell us to fight terrorism. They tell us to do like this. They tell us to do like that too. Anybody where they fight for the sake of Nigerians, that person just they try to commit suicide. Speaking up for Nigerians is a suicide mission. If you want to be safe, just focus on your tribe and ethnic nationality alone. Speak up for your people alone, and the load where your head go reduce. You know, say now only your people. At least now your people go understand you better. Nigerians are tribal creatures. If they say you come from another tribe and ethnic nationality, they tell them something, their hate for you go increase. They not care whether you they tell them truth. And that is what they did to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was talking, so many pastors in Nigeria were against him. Police were against him. Army were against him. So many Nigerians, majority of Nigerians were against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As they say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go prison, how many of these people are speaking up for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? If you be Igbo person and you dey wan be hero for other people for Nigeria, retrace your steps. So if not, the load of Nigerians go kill you. Nigerians are not worth fighting for. Most especially if you be Igbo person, fighting for Nigerians is a suicide mission. Before we start to speak up for our people Ndigbo alone, you think say we not get sense? As we dey here now for years, they talk to Ndigbo, direct our energy to Ndigbo alone. You think say we not get sense? If to say we dey speak up for all Nigerians, by now federal government for don pack us to say you are inciting terrorism, you are turning on Nigerians against the federal government. The way they do Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now, so therefore don't do so many of us. And that is why we Igbos are expected to mind our lane for this country called Nigeria. Nigeria is a country filled with hate and disgust for Ndigbo. I be divider. I make post they talk to Ndigbo alone. You thought I be divider. Fool. Urobo people there they complain say herdsmen they kill them. Make Urobo son go there they speak against insecurity for them. And leave we Igbos alone. If we will speak up for them, they go talk. If we don't speak up for them, they go talk. If we do good, they go talk. If we not do good, they go talk. Mad people everywhere. Ishegwale.